Hi, I'm just popping back into the feed again to chat to you about a couple of the ingredients that are included in the Christmas book that I'm putting out, and it's filled with lots of local products which are grown in and around Perth or made in Perth. I'm lucky enough to have a fishery around the corner, and it's Northern Star Fishery, and they catch all of their seafood in the World Heritage listed waters of Shark Bay, and it's all sustainably caught. So their scallops are beautiful and great for cocktail food because they're already portioned, they're easy to cook, they take no time, and people are always super impressed. And I'm pairing that with a beautiful infused oil by Roogenics. So it's got a couple of native Australian infusions. It's got lemon myrtle and pepperberry, and I'm going to just get these scallops seared and then I'll show you how to put it together. Bit of a tester to see. Oh yeah, baby. So I have just seared the scallops, which takes no time, and then grabbed a cocktail on the way because you should. If you're entertaining people, get in the mood. So really, scallops are like a minute on one side, a minute on the other. They should be quite rare in the middle. The flavour won't change, but the texture will change, and they're much nicer when they're rare. So super easy. All we're doing is popping a scallop on each of the shells. And then I'm just going to finish off the dressing that I've put together for this recipe, which also is super easy. So I've already minced a little bit of garlic and put some fresh lemon juice in, and then you need the Roogenics. It does need to be watered down with a little bit of oil as well because it is really punchy, but it's lovely. So I'll put a little bit of that in. And then I'm just going to top it up with a little bit of oil, and I use the Great Southern Groves olive oil, my favourite, and I get it delivered to the door in 20-litre drums and we go through it really quickly. So I'm just going to give that a little bit of a stir, and then it's got a little tiny bit of sugar and a little tiny bit of salt just for seasoning, so I'd already put the sugar in. And then basically we're just topping these with a few peas for colour, some pancetta for a little bit of salt, and then some crunch with some sourdough crumbs that I made earlier. It's that simple. If people are vegetarian or pescatarian, leave the pancetta off, but you can basically top them with whatever you like. So I'm going to use my fingers. It's just how I roll. So just a couple of peas. Don't worry about how they look or where they fall. It's just really for the overall look of the dish, and it kind of balances out the pancetta. So I'll pop this on. Not too much. You don't want it to overwhelm the flavour of the scallop, which is beautiful and sweet. And then we are going to pop on our dressing and then put the crumb on top so it doesn't get soggy. So just a little bit of this Roogenics dressing on each. And you can do this literally, have it all ready, and when your guests are arriving, you can see the scallops. It's great to do on the barbie because they can be a little bit smoky. So you could even be outside and have all this ready to go out there. And then I'm going to just pop some crumbs on, just for a little bit of crunch. And look, you could put whatever you wanted on there. It'd be amazing to put finger lime on there, but unfortunately that's out of season. But just when it is in season, they're grown in Pemberton, and they are like little citrus caviar. They're absolutely beautiful. It's a really good match. Spilling these everywhere, but that's okay. Doesn't matter. And I just pulled this out of my garden, so I'm just going to put a little bit of greenery on there, just, you know, to freshen the plate up. And you're basically good to go. And it's a scallop per person. If you want it to be really posh, you can grab a fork and pop a few forks on there so people can use those as well. And we're good to go. And I'm going to keep drinking my cocktail because that's what you should do on Christmas Day.